Hey, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to do a little bit of an overview of the retro gaming convention here in the Netherlands, Tilburg. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. Alright, the convention is not open yet, but we're going to do a little bit of hunting. Stay tuned. Here on the convention in the Netherlands we can find a lot of sorts of items. I really love this glass case with the Game Boy games, a very nice way of displaying the games. Even a big pile of plush, you can find it all here. So even a Tetris puzzle game, board games, name it, you can find it. And even if you're searching boxed amiibo figures, you can find them here in the retro convention. But I think it's very neat that you're having this boxed old accessories, the top fighter stick. Damn, that thing is not very cheap. Here we have some boxed collector editions. Oh man, I love those old brick games. Let's see what do we have more here. PlayStation 3, 40 gigs, €7. Wonder Swan, VMU for the Dreamcast. Here on the convention we can find a lot of great stuff, even some NEX book games. Wow, these are very good condition, no price. Game Boy systems, I must say I noticed a lot of these Game Boy systems here on the retro convention. Ooh, Pro Fighter X Classic 1. Did a review about it, check it out. And old Nintendo DS systems. And of course the big bug games. I don't know if you collected it, but I did back at the day. I really love those big bug games. Ooh, ColecoVision controllers. Never seen those before. €10. I really love to review more of these products in the future here on the channel. Alright, an old iMac. PlayStation 1. We see this very often. What's this? Everything €5. Ooh, sniffing around. I like that. What do we have here? Old VGS, what the heck? iLife, what the hell is this? What? Yeah, alright. And I love to throw out these products in the future on the channel. I'm not going to collect them, but this one looks very nice. I think these are a little bit cheaper than in Game & Watch from Nintendo, but nevertheless, what do we have more? Ooh, another collection we can sniff through. Alright, nothing special. Ooh, CDI, Commodore 64. This guy sells a lot of old stuff. MSX. Look, oh yeah, an Oric 1 microcomputer. So this is what I really like about this convention, and again I need to say it again because you can find all these really old stuff. You don't see it very often. You see a lot of Xbox 360, PlayStation, name it, but there are some sellers having these very old computers. And I know here in the channel there are a lot of people going to like it. Old Pong system. Alright, I was just checking the PlayStation games. Galaxian Fight, very awesome game. Damn, that game is very expensive. So we can find these PlayStation games very often here on the convention. Let's see what we have here. Nightmare Creatures, very nice game. Not a bad price. Right, let's see. Capcom Generations. So let me know, what is your favorite PlayStation 1 game? I really love to know. So some sellers have piles of systems and even a monitor you can buy. And plug and play systems, even something with Wonder Boy. Here we have some more stuff, a Atari Lynx system, a portable system, arcade sticks, and a lot of other stuff. Let's see, we have in here some awesome Game Boys. But what I really like is this arcade machine. This thing looks amazing. Very nice detail. Love this high quality stickers. The Neo Geo style. 2 speakers at the top. Let's see at the back, what do we have here? Oh, this is very nice. What the heck is this? And also we can find little statues here on the convention. Let's see, N64, having some old games here, Xbox Classics, and some collection big piles of games. Sometimes we are finding these creative people who are making button stickers or other funny products you can find here on the conventions. I can really appreciate it. People making these efforts for making a very nice stand and showing off the products they have made. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, some old Mad Cat arcade sticks. The top one is a little bit yellow. That's not normal. Alright, a lot of retro games. Let's see, some Bugs games here. A lot of Game Boy system. Not all in very good condition. Ooh, Straight as Rage. That one was, by the way, €55. So we can find a lot of old retro Mega Drive games here. €10. Ooh. So that are a little bit the prices over here in the Netherlands. Let me know how are the prices in the United States, UK and all the other countries. I really love to know. Leave it in the comments. Ooh, Nintendo Switch. Oh, that was the only game. PSP. I think if you look at Shaq Fu, it's a very cool game. But nevertheless, I'm going to leave it there. PSP games. Who buy them? Ooh, little big book game again. You don't see them very often, big book games, but you see them here and there. A lot of loose Game Boy games. No prices, but yeah, alright. We can also find some Pokemon cards and booster packs and a lot of Pokemon related stuff here. So as you can see, there is so much to see here, and I just took a little part of the products you can find here. Of course, we have a lot of retro stuff from the old MSX, Commodore, Game Boy, name it, it's here. Amiibo, action figures, statues, and a lot of Game Boys. It's a freaking invasion of the Game Boy. So if you want to have a classic one and Game Boy Advance, you can find them in all different colors, shapes and conditions and all different prices. Consoles, that depends a little bit where you can buy it, but also the price of the N64 or the Super NES are some different pricings. I really love these reproduction homebrew games because yeah, it's really awesome to play these homebrew games on your original systems. They are looking very nice. Not bad at all. So I did some digging around, checking some games. I was not searching for anything, but it's always fun to look around. As you have noticed in this video, I did check some PlayStation games. I'm always searching for great games for the collection or replacements for platinum versions or very crappy incomplete version I have. But finding for one for the good price, I'm a little bit picky about it because I just want to have a good price. I'm not going to pay the full price for a game. Simply as that. A lot of booked Super NES games here. I'm going to give you a little small overview. What are we all having here in the Netherlands? Ooh, X-Men vs Street Fighter, very nice. So this year it was very crowded, a lot of great stuff to see. So if you're living around here in the Netherlands or just visiting the Netherlands, you need to check out these conventions. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, don't forget to check the gaming channel.